Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this super cute little dress charm, and you can put it on a clip, or as you can see I've decided I'm going to make it into a bag charm. So like I said, you've got alternative options. It's not very big though because it's made in 1-inch ribbon and it measures roughly 1.5 centimeters wide at the biggest part, and it's just under 2 inches tall. So like I said, it's not very big at all. So like I said, the biggest size clip you can sort of use on this would be a 35mm or a 30mm. So do keep that in mind if you're making them, or like I said, alternatively turn them into a little bag charm, etc. And get straight into it. And you need your 1-inch ribbon, okay, and you need 12 inches or 30 centimeters, and you need pin in. It's either 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters. And then from where our pin is, we want to fold this shape so that the tail's down like so, and then we want to fold that triangle towards us, and then this we fold back like so. I'm also going to use this little hold clipping here. What I do at this point, to keep the shape all nice, I'm going to put a touch of glue just here and glue the first triangle in place, only a touch, as you can see. Like this. So it looks like this, and that will just give the overall shape, because we're not going to hide it in a bow. We want it to look as neat as humanly possible, you see. So then you'll be left with this, with your tail there. Obviously you can see your edge there. So we want to fold the triangle up like so. Make a bigger triangle like this. Fold over. And across. And clip. Make your triangle up so you get your bigger triangle, over to get a shape, and to meet the rest. Clip, triangle, fold up, bigger triangle, over, meet the others. Okay, over, triangle, up, bigger triangle, down, across, clip together, and over. And what I do is I'm going to cut this excess off here. Okay, and again I'm just going to move that ever so slightly, and we're going to put a dot of glue here and glue this last triangle straight down right against that edge. And again, this will just help the shape, because like I said, we've not got a bow to hide it in. We're just going to put a piece of felt behind it. Okay, and we can move them there. And obviously this side's your edge, and this is the tips that we're going to sew through. Okay, move that down out the way a little bit. When you're doing it, do try and make sure that you're going through the whole point, and not just, like I said, the bit so it doesn't slip. Again, this will help keep your shape all nice and tidy. and just go through all 6 of your little tips. As you can see, one slipped a little bit, so just roll that back a bit. And last one. There we go. I'll take that hold pin clip, and just so you know, I did heat seal both my ends before I did this, but we might do again because there's a little bit of right there. Once that's all together like so, then I'd always go back through all layers again. There you go. If it's a bit tricky, don't be afraid to push your needle through with your desk. There you go. I'm just going to go through once more just for security. Okay. And then you can thread off in whichever way makes most sense to you. Okay, so there's your shape, and what I'm also going to do is just heat seal those tips and sort of give them a press on the desk just to get a more square finish. And there's your little dress, and this is what the back looks like. So like I said, never worry that the back is a mess, because we're going to hide that with some felt. Okay, so that's what it looks like at the minute. And then I've got 3 pieces of 9mm here, and they're all 5 centimeters. Which is about 2 inches. There we go. I'm going to fold them 1 1/2, pinch those together like so, and that's going to be one of our dress loops. I repeat on the second one. There we go. Work out how you want your dress to look. Like I said, you can do them a triangle like so, or you can do them more V-shape, whichever you personally like. And then with our other 9mm piece that we've heat sealed, you can wrap round. Okay, so we're just going to glue those pieces together. Touch glue just there. Like I said, work out how you want your dress front to look. I'm going to go for like this little V type shape, and I'm going to angle that so I get a more do be careful when you're pinching, because like I said, I don't feel that heat when I'm doing it. And then we're going to use this piece to wrap round to create, like I said, the dress like shape. So just going to put a touch of glue here across there. There we go. Bit of glue here. Just cut off that little. And a little bit of glue that side. I'll do a teeny tiny bit more. There we go. So there's one little dress shape, and we're gonna glue that behind our dress like so. By gluing on that bit. Excuse me, just dropped my glue gun. And we're going to press it there. Like so, do it nice and tight. Okay. And then we're going to hide this with some felt. There we go, that's sort of the perfect. There we go, and then I'm just going to trim the edges down. So you want like a diamond-esque shape, or I bet I could curve it. There we go. So a nice little curve. Let's just measure this. That is 1 inch, roughly. Like I said, a quarter of a circle. And like I said, we're just going to glue that back here just to hide that. And I do that by holding the very edge of the felt. Glue there. Turn it over. Place that against our messy back area. Now, as you can see, we've got this little middle situation here, which we don't want to see. So we can either hide it by adding a middle like this, which I'm going to do, or I've also got a selection of embellishments, or like that little bow that we put on the other one, that we can play around with. So put a touch of glue on here, and we're gonna do from there right round, so we're hiding that bit where we've got our stitching and the mess. A touch of glue at the front just so it doesn't slip or move. Like so. Watch your glue so you don't get anywhere visible. Just don't want that. Ruins the whole effect. And round the back like that. And we'll just add a touch of glue there. There we go. Excuse me, I got a touch of glue there. There we go. So there's a super cute dress by itself. Like I said, you don't need to add much to it if you don't want to, but if you're a bit more extra like me, you could add a little blue, like I said, I've got a little blue flower. Got this one that matches the silver edged bit here, could use that one. Got a little harpill with the bling, like I said, that looks really pretty. Or I've got this little blue butterfly. Just get that glue string off my dress before it melts in, don't want that. So I'm going to go with the blue flower because that's the cutest one of all of them. And with this one I'm just going to use a touch of hot glue. And like I said, be very careful with your placement because you don't want the glue anywhere other than the back of the embellishment and not all over your pretty dress that we've just made. There we go. So that's how it looks, like I said, minus my glue stringies. That's what your back looks like, and like I said, you could add this to a badge, you could add this to your 30 or 35mm clip, and I'd do the clip like so at an angle. It could go that way, so you can make it like a little side fringe clip. Or, like I said, I have these keyring loops, and all you do is open one up, slide your loop through, and you can pick these up on eBay for as little as like 10 to 20 for just a couple of pound. There you go, a little bag charm. And like I said, they're so tiny but so adorable. The silver edge ribbon is from Love Your Crafts UK, but she does do it international shipping. Like I said, you can add different embellishments. Like I said, this one's got a super cute little navy-ish miniature. And like I said, you can make them clips. I also added a tiny little bit of lace on the back of this one. You can't really see it much. That's an alternative to a little bit of felt on the back. And thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Like I said, I have a Facebook page under the same name. If you need any extra help or anything like that, do feel free to come and join me. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye!